Well, my learned brothers and sisters, this is Advocate P. Devmorari talking to you from Ahmedabad city, Gujarat state, India, that is our Bharat. Today I'm excited to talk to you on a favorite topic of mine, that is from criminal. And you will not find this topic in Criminal Procedure Code 1973 and even now, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samiti 2023. In both these books, you will not find ready-made topic like cross-case concept. But a learned apex court have developed this concept and I have made enough research on this topic and I have prepared a video for our learned brothers, our judicial officers, learned advocates, police officers, that is investigation officers, and people at large who believe to live their life with dignity. Because there are a lot of misunderstanding about the cross-case concept. For example, when police registers both the cases, when two parties fights each other, then both the parties register the FIR or complaint before the police officer. And it is generally believed, of course it is wrongly believed, I don't agree with that because law doesn't permit me to agree, that both the parties are responsible and both should be punished. It's not that. Law is not like that. Now, I'll make it clear today in this video. Now, there are certain points in one video, it won't be possible for me to cover the entire topic because time limit is for 15 minutes. So I have to complete within 15 minutes. That will be part 1. Then part 2 will be released. So today I will prepare part 1 on cross-case concept. The first point is two FRs, two complaints of the same transaction, occurrence at the same time and same place by two parties. Now, what is the important point? In the case of complaint and counter complaint, it is to be registered separately. But the same investigation officers to conduct the investigation in respect of complaint and counter complaint. Same investigation officer has to conduct the investigation. Why? In support of this argument, I humbly submit the following citations. That is 2007 Sierra LJ 3802 Karnataka High Court. Babu Ilyas Tirupati Babu versus the state of Karnataka. Para number 14A, page number 3805. I'll read out. The division bench of this court in state of Karnataka versus Balappa and others, 1984 KLJ 1, in para 74, has referred to cutting off decisions on the point and has held that in the case of complaint and counter complaint, it is to be registered separately. But the same IR should conduct the investigation in respect of complaint and counter complaint. If investigation is not conducted by one and the same investigation officer, the result is that no court can grasp the real facts unless it tries both the cases. Why? In support of my argument, I submit the following citation. JT 2003, in bracket 3 SC 550, State of MP versus Misri Lal, para number 8, page number 554, 555. I'll read out. Both the complaints cannot be said to be right. Even both of them must be false also. In such a situation, legal obligation is cast upon the investigation officer to make an endeavor to find out the truth and to cull out the truth from the falsehood. Unfortunately, the investigation officer has failed to discharge the obligation, resulting in grave miscarriage of justice. Now, let us discuss the role of investigation officer. In 1955 SC 196, H.N. Rajput and another was the state of Delhi. Para number 5, page number 201. Thus, under the code, at the time, in 1955, it was Criminal Procedure Code. Thus, under the code, investigation consists generally of the following steps. First, proceeding to the spot. Second, ascertainment of the facts and circumstances of the case. Discovery and arrest of suspected offender. Collection of evidence relating to the commission of the offense, which may consist of A. The examination of various persons, including the accused, and the reduction of their statements into writing if the officer thinks fit. B. The search of places and seizure of things considered necessary for the investigation and to be produced at the trial, and formation of opinion as to whether on the materials collected there is case to place the accused before a magistrate for trial, and if so, taking the necessary steps for the same by filing of charge sheet under section 173. Now it is BNSS 193. In short, investigation means ascertainment of facts, sifting of materials, search for relevant data, and collection of evidence. Investigation does not mean simply recording the statement of witnesses. It has to go beyond. The role of investigation officer in alleged cross case. 1982, Criminal Law General 1557, Kerala High Court, full bench, on page number 1560, it has been held that under section 173, subsection 2, clause D, that is at that time, now it is 193 BNSS. I'll read out. Under section 173, subsection 2, clause D, the investigation officers state whether any offence appears to have been committed, and if so, by whom. The court thus contemplates that the investigation officer should himself assess the evidence collected by him and form his own opinion regarding the complicity of particular persons in respect of the offence alleged. Now, there are two sections in CRPC 169 and 170. CRPC 169 empowers a police officer investigating the offence to release the accused when the evidence is deficient. Under section 170 of the code, he is to send the accused to the magistrate when the evidence is sufficient. Apart now on para number 9, page number 1561, apart from all that is stated already, there is still stronger reason for not treating the cases registered by the police on the basis of statements of rival parties as cases on the counter case. The cases charge sheeted by the police are to be prosecuted by the public prosecutor. If there are two versions regarding the same incident, one must be necessarily false, and the prosecutor will be forced to plead on behalf of the state that both the inconsistent versions are true. The position is incongruence. Now, this is the first part of my video on cross-case concern. In the second part, I will conclude the entire concept. Hope you have got some vital information. This is useful to all. And see you in the next video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like it, and share it. Om Gom Ganapati Namah. Ram Bhagwan ne yaad kare. Let us remember Lord Rama. Ramchandra Namah. Thank you, thank you, thank you.